Jely and Tordos from BIT Comtech 3E9. So for today's video, I will make lead consequencer using 12 LEDs. So the components involve the Arduino, breadboard, 100 ohms resistor, the LED, and then the jumper wires. So in doing this activity, let's go first to the tinkercad.com. Okay, so that's it as you can see, and then let's prepare the components needed. First the Arduino, so click and drag, and then if you want to change, so click this one, change the position of your Arduino. Then next is the breadboard, so that's a breadboard. And then next to that is the LED. So if you want to change the color, so change it. We'll change mine in green color. And then the resistor. So since we are using 100 ohms, so I will change this into 100 ohms resistor. Finished preparing it also, I will put the LED in the breadboard. So since we are using 12 LEDs, so I will copy that one until I reach into 12 LEDs. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so on. And then next to that is the resistor. So let's move the resistor in the breadboard and connect it in the LED. So same as the LED, copy it up to 12 resistor to have a resistance in order to display or on the LED. Okay, so after that, let's connect it all in the ground. Next to this, I will change the color of this connection into black to make my connection looking good, or to have a presentable output. So I will change it, my ground connection, into black colors. So that's it. Then after that, let's proceed to the connection of the Arduino and then the breadboard. So first I will connect first the ground to ground connection. So that's it. And then next to that is so I finished connecting my ground connection. So let's proceed to the lead, and it will be connected to the Arduino. So lead 1 must be connected to the D1. Lead 2 will be connected in the D2. So on and so forth. So I almost done in my connection, so I'm in the lead lead 10 right now, so it will be connected to the D10. Then let's proceed to the lead 11 and it will be connected to the D11. And then the last one, this is what I'm waiting for, the lead 12, so it will be connected to the D12. So I finished connecting it all. Then in order to have a good output, I changed the color or my connection into red. So if you want to, then choose anything color you want in order to make your output looking good or then I will change also this one into black color in order to identify my ground connection. Okay, so that's it. In order to run this program, so you must code it first. Click code, then blocks, then text, then continue. So as you can see, the pin mode here is 13, so we need to change it directly because we are using 12 LEDs. Then we need to write comment. Pin 1 is defined as output. For that, I copy this one directly and then it reach up to 12 to make my work faster. So 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. And then change this one into 2 to all until it up to 12. The void loop here is high, there's high, so we need to put a comment. Output 1 is on because high, which means turn on. And then the delay, will change it into 500. So we will wait 500 milliseconds. Then after 500 milliseconds, the lead 2 will display. Then 500 milliseconds, the lead 2 will turn off. Then let's proceed to the lead 3 and so on and so forth. I will copy this one directly to make my work faster. So it reach up until 12, then I will change. Then change this one to 2. To 12. If you want to have clear goals, you put an example I finished my code, so I'm so excited to see my output. So this is the most awaited part. So we need to start simulation in order to run this program. So you must click start simulation at the upper portion. Okay. So as you can see, the lead 1 will display. Then proceed to the lead 2. So we must wait until 500 milliseconds to turn off, then proceed to the other lead and so on and so forth. Okay, so that is my output. So that's it.